4th or the 16th.
Well, you don't have any time on there, so.
Yeah, you need 12 in there.
Yeah. Just go in through your 1 hour for 12.
And then we'll add it up again, okay? And then you know you're not. All right, but I have to know how much, the cutoff is, 19 tomorrow for the one for the June,
So I want to show you, come check out this.
We don't allow any recording in here, just so you know.
It's a public building.
What's that?
It's a public building.
Yeah, we don't
I have a
allow
right.
anybody to record in here.
I don't
just
care.
letting you know.
I have a right
So-
to do it. It's my First Amendment.
Oh, okay,
You
well,
don't
then
like
I'll
it,
call
you-
law enforcement and have
Go
you
ahead.
escorted out of here.
Go ahead. It's a public building. This is open to the public, right?
Charlie, Clark, please.
I can record anywhere in public that my eyes can see, so go ahead.
Yes, please.
You're making a big mistake.
Am I?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sure you don't think you are, but you are.
Okay.
You think you're big and bad because you're the government worker. Even government workers get held accountable.
Okay.
yeah, that's what I had on my. Right there.
Set it up, set a timer on it.
Right, and then it doesn't prevent.
Yeah. Hey, how's Jim doing?
It's a good day and bad day.
Like ours.
He got his camper back. So he's going to bring it over Saturday. That's why I cannot work because it's so hot. And he was invisible when he was moving the camper in the dog. And so now he's got a new toy.
Good. Take it out. I'll see you soon.
Alright.
Hey, take care of each other.
I've been trying to get stuff done, but you know,
Yeah, you're doing good.
keeping up with the rug and the.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
He's going in the house and the dog in front of got home.
Good.
So,
Good.
so
All right,
thank you.
bye, Shirley.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So it's not.
It's a public building. I have a First Amendment right to record anywhere in
You
public.
don't get to record
I
because
do.
it's against policy.
I don't care if it's against policy. Is it against the law?
Do you
So
want
we
me to
can
have
call
one?
law enforcement.
Go
and
ahead.
trespass. Okay.
How can you trespass me from public property if I haven't committed a crime?
We can have you trespass.
Have I committed a crime?
I'm not
What-
going to
what
talk to
crime
you
have I
about that right
committed?
now.
That's the important part of it.
Charlie, I have some things I need to go over with you.
It
so
would
I
be
can move this
important
process
if you
forward.
did not
He is not helping
actually
right now.
scare her
Just don't
and
be
lie to her.
scaring me.
I told you not to let him separate us.
I'm not. Just stop.
I knew this was going to happen.
Sir, you're not even a party.
Excuse
to
me, this is
case.
public building.
You're
This
not
is a
even
public building. I'm allowed. Yes, I am.
You're not
I'm
a
here
party
for
to
her
this
emotional
case.
support, and I'm her neighbor.
That's
I am almost
fantastic.
family to her because I've known her for years. We've
That's
been neighbors
great.
for years.
And you know what? She's
So
really
I am a
lucky
party
have
to this.
somebody.
You know, family, friends, not blood related, can also be considered family.
You're right.
By law.
They can, and it's
And
really
you
good that
saying
she
I'm
has
not
that.
a party to this
Okay,
without
are you
even
gonna let me
knowing that?
talk?
Are you going to let me talk?
Are you going
Who's
to
the
let me
public
talk
servant
to you?
here?
Because if you
Are the-
don't, I will have you
This is
trespass.
really ridiculous.
Trespass him.
You
Call law
cannot do
enforcement.
that. This is a public
Yes,
building.
I can do it.
No, you can't.
Watch me.
You're going to see that you can't. This is a public building. I'm allowed anywhere in public that the public is allowed to be, and I can record in any public place. And from any public place, wherever my eyes can see. So, do you really think you know what you're talking about?
I know.
Houston versus Hill, Turner versus Driver, Supreme Court cases. This is well stated, concluded law that allows me to record you in the course of your public duties. And you trying to stop me from doing it is actually a violation of my rights. So
Well,
if you
I'm
want
sorry
to
for when
continue,
your rights are being
you
violated.
can. No, they are
are
by
not
you
a party
asking
to
me to
this
stop.
case. You're not even
I am
named
a
in this
party
case.
to this case.
Sir, I don't even know your name.
I don't care.
And I am
You
the
don't even need
supervisor
to
for this
know
case.
what my name is, except that I am a party to this case because I brought her here for one, and I'm her neighbor. For 2.
That's fantastic. And I'm really
And
am
I've
glad
known
that
her
you're
for
her
years.
support.
I'm really upset that you guys have tried to bully her and scare her into taking her child for no good reason.
I don't
No
believe
legal
that's what
reason.
happened.
That is exactly what
And the
happened.
fact that you are saying that tells me that you don't know what's happening in
I
this
do
case,
know
and
what
I
happened.
know you're not a party.
Because
to
the
this
dad
case.
would be in jail if there was neglect or abuse charge. And he's not.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works. I got the law right here in my hand.
All right. That's good for you.
It says if there's no accusation of abuse or neglect, there's no case. If the child lives in another state, you're supposed to stop it. You didn't. You put him in foster care the next day.
We did. You're right.
Yeah, not the way you're supposed to do it. You think you know what you're talking about, but you're really just showing yourself that you don't.
Okay.
It's simple. It's plainly stated law, has been for years. For one, that I can record anywhere in public that I can go. I'm allowed in here. This is a public lobby. This is a public building, public agency. You're paid with my tax dollars. You work for me and her because we're the public. I'm sure you just love to hear this, but I'm just reminding you of what your job is.
You live in Washington, is that correct?
It doesn't matter where I live. I'm a United States citizen, and I have the same rights as every other United States citizen. I have the right to record in any public place. You cannot trespass me from a public place without me committing a crime. You threatening to do so is a violation of my rights under 18 U.S.C. 242 and 243. Oh, am I being difficult?
No, I'm
am I being
listening
hard
to
to
what you
understand?
have to say.
Yeah, I can tell by the disdain in your face. I can really tell that you're really listening to what I'm telling you. Well, maybe the law enforcement officers that might come would like to tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, this is gold. You guys should not even be doing this. You guys should not be in child services. If this is the way you guys treat children, he's traumatized for the rest of his life because of this. Because of what you guys did.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hey,
How you doing?
Officer Prevo, how my camera going?
Can you get your badge number?
Yeah, sure, 612. So what's
All right.
going on today? I need you to step this way with
That's
me.
okay. I'm front right here.
Right, no,
this is
I'm
public area.
here for a domestic disturbance. They called, said some stuff's going on, so
Okay,
you need to follow me that way.
What's
Or
the crime?
you
What's
are
the
gonna
crime?
come with me, or I'm
What's
gonna.
the crime?
Right now, you're
This is public
trespassing.
property.
I'm not playing
Public
this game.
property.
All right, here.
Excuse me.
Set that down.
This is public property.
Turn
Do
around,
not
put your
touch
hands
me.
behind your back.
Do
Turn
not
around
touch
and put
me.
your
What
hands
crime did I
behind your
commit?
back.
What crime did I
3
commit?
from 12. You wanna step it up?
18 U.S.C. 242, 243.
Right, turn around.
Violation of rights under color of law.
Turn around
really wanna- do
and
you
put
really
your
wanna go to-
hands behind your back.
You really want to face
right
a federal
now.
lawsuit?
Yeah, I do.
You do want to face a
Yep,
federal lawsuit?
I'm doing my job. Turn around,
You're
put your
not
hands
doing
behind your
your
back
job.
right now.
You're not doing your job.
Right now.
You're not doing your
Okay,
job.
we'll
Supervisor,
do
please.
this. Yeah, he's on
Yeah.
his way.
Please do not.
No.
I'm not resisting
Both
you.
hands. Both hands behind your back now.
Please do not turn that off. What are you doing? What crime did I commit?
You
What crime did I
are
commit?
obviously causing a disturbance.
What
Interlace your
crime
fingers.
did I commit?
Interlace your fingers.
Can you really gotta be rough? I'm not resisting you.
Right? You're not complying either.
I don't have to comply with your unlawful orders.
You do
These
have
are
to
unlawful
comply.
orders. You cannot arrest me for this.
612. I have one detained. Let's go over here now.
Supervisor, please.
That's right. There in the white car.
Get your lieutenant.
No.
Yes.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't answer questions. Where's my camera?
Back there where I left it.
Why? What do we got? What crime did I commit? What crime did I
Discon,
commit?
they called 911.
I was having a discussion with the lady there.
I don't know if those are double locked. Hello. Hi. Okay. I'm okay.
Not put handcuffs on me unlawfully. This is a violation of my rights.
So, what's going on?
What crime did I commit? What crime did I commit? What crime did I commit? I'm standing here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to fight you. I don't plan to. I don't commit crimes. So can you please tell me what crime I committed?
time's good. That's
Okay, great. What crime was committed?
5 or 6.
It's not a sort of thing I'm asking you. It's a simple question. Please answer the question. Can I please have your supervisor?
Right.
Of course. The lieutenant. They get the chief.
Okay. You have a car here?
You need to call the chief.
Perfect.
Okay, I did not commit a crime. First of all, I was not disorderly. I was not disorderly. And a citizen in there complained about whatever I was doing. I know the law very well. I'm disappointed that you don't. It's all on video. Why would I commit a crime on video? This is ridiculous. Please call your chief out. Please call your chief. You're arresting me unlawfully. I did not commit a crime. You have no reason. Oh, I'm just detained. I'm under arrest. I'm in handcuffs. I'm not free to leave. This is a de facto arrest. Yeah, I know that term. I know the law very well. You guys are messing up bad. Really bad. Not only here, but you do. You guys must really like just violating the shit out of everybody's rights. Apparently, you're violating mine right now. What crime did I commit? I don't ask a question. What crime did I commit? Please answer that question. My continuous response. Oh, I'm sure. That's my property. That was almost $500 camera. You don't care? Yeah, it's expensive. No, he fell on the ground. Dude, I'm in handcuffs. I'm not going to move. Okay. Are you going to answer what crime I committed?
Yeah. Criminal offense.
Yeah, how?
They have to police 6
They don't have the right to tell me to leave. It's a public building. It's a public building. You guys not understand how ridiculous this is? Call your state attorney. Call your district attorney. You know, anybody higher than you guys, you guys obviously don't know the law. You guys are just digging yourself a hole. Any searches or seizures on the property.
We understand that.
You guys are violating my rights.
Nope.
You are.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are. You're violating my rights.
We don't take people to jail without searching.
Right. I'm sure.
That's not what we do.
You guys are violating my
Do you have
rights.
any weapons or contraband on you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well, if you do, it's going to be an additional charge we get to do.
Okay.
He's got an earpiece.
First have to have an original crime that can't be made by a government worker. Has to be a member of the public.
Okay, you can try
You
that.
guys can't be a complainant.
Yeah, I mean, you can try that
Is
argument.
this really this inept law? Go ahead and see. Yeah, get your supervisor. Go ahead. Get your chief.
I am the supervisor here. I'm
Get
not
your
calling the
chief.
Not
Nope.
happening.
I'm not going to tell him Mr. Nobody that wants to do his thing. Wants to talk.
No, that's...
Please get Charlie those keys.
You can do that when she meets you at the jail.
How's she gonna do that?
That's going to be...
Well, that's your phone call. You said you know your rights, so please use your phone call.
You guys realize you can't criminally trespass me by the word of a government worker. This is ridiculous.
I didn't get video, but they did ask me to get your line.
No, they did not. Nobody asked me to leave. I have the whole thing recorded. You guys lie all you want. Apparently you guys enjoy doing that. Is anybody gonna let her know? Violation of rights and the color of law. 18 USC 242. What crime did I commit that requires me to identify? What crime did I commit? How is it criminal trespass? That doesn't make sense. It's a public building. It's a public building. Public property. It's DHS. Who owns it? You don't know? Isn't it the state of Oregon? Oh no, it's the taxpayers. Yes, it's the taxpayers. It doesn't matter if it's rented. Once it's rented by a government agency, it becomes public use, public property, the same as public property. That is very true. You might want to confer with your chief. He knows much more than you, hopefully. You just need to get hold of your district attorney. You do. You're making a huge mistake right now. Chris, you have me in handcuffs in the back of the car being kidnapped. You are kidnapping me. I did not commit a crime. I did not commit a crime. I was not being disorderly. I was not causing a disturbance. Anybody can call 911 for anything. That doesn't mean anything. What? How? What did I do? What did I do? No, they came out all pissed because I was recording. I have my right. They asked me to come outside and talk, so I did. Is that a crime? Oh, to come outside and talk? Nobody asked me to leave. I'm gonna need all your information after this. I need to speak to your district attorney. Anybody. You didn't even try seeing if there actually was a disturbance there. You just came up, assumed.
Yeah.
Now what do we got?
Disorderly conduct and criminal trespass. This is all his belongings and I think a camera. Yeah, that is on, by the way.
This camera is on,
Yep.
by the way?
Yep.
Okay, camera's on.
Yep. And glasses, a cord.
Glasses. A charger. Okay.
I don't know. I haven't seen his ID card. He said it might be state of Washington. And then keys.
Okay, well, do you want to hold on to all
Yep,
this
I
stuff?
can.
Is he being unruly?
Yeah.
Okay.
He knows his rights and he'll sit there and tell you all about them and how he
Okay.
needs every supervisor you got.
Okay.
Violating all of them.
Well.
Yeah. Actually, I'm just going to take all this and put it in there.
That sounds good. Do you want
Yep. Yes, please. I got some stuff.